Number 11, what is the solution in the above system of equations? So you can use any method you like. For this one, I'm going to use elimination because it's already set up nicely. If we add these two together, the 5y minus 5y eliminates to 0. So 2 and 4, I have 6x. 22 minus 4 is 18. Divide both sides by 6, and I get x is equal to 3. And then it wants the solution. It's not enough just to find x, you need to also find y. So you can go back to either equation, 2x plus 5y equals negative 4, or you could use 4x minus 5y equals 22. I'm going to go with the first one, just because there's more positive numbers in there, and I think those are a little bit easier. So we're substituting x equals 3 in for x. So that gives me 6 plus 5y equals negative 4, minus 6, 5y equals negative 10, divide by 5, and I get y is equal to negative 2. So our final solution is 3, negative 2. So you should get that answer no matter which method you use. Again, you could also use matrix, so 2 by 3, enter those in, you should come up with the same answer. You could use any method you want as long as you're showing your work.